And welcome to another vlog. Today we're going to a Balinese cooking class. It's 8 a.m. and we're waiting in the hotel lobby to get picked up for it. And breakfast is 8 a.m. to like 11:30, so we didn't, it started too early. But our hotel gave us these super cute little like breakfast boxes. And it has fruit and an egg and toast. And so that'll be like perfect breakfast because we plan on eating a whole lot during the cooking class. I think it's like 8 courses we're going to learn how to cook. So I'm so excited for that. But yeah, let's see how this goes. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I always forget to say that. But I appreciate your support. Okay, bye. Okay, so we're starting the tour off at the local market. So we're gonna see what it looks like when you go and buy the produce.
Kind of balancing like that. When they buy, they always put in the balance. You like spicy anyway?
I do.
Yeah, a little bit. So for us, we use two kind of chili. We have a big chili and small chili. This is the spicy, but the green a little bit less spicy there. And then why is our sauce is strong? Later we use this, this galangal turmeric, fresh turmeric.
Oh, it's so good.
This is the one that we use normal for the sauce. This is the big portion. We have also in small portion the fresh belly. This is our basic sauce.
Nice.
Some family, if they want to be easy, just buy some sauce ready to cook using for cooking. So this one is a lot of work.
It's like bouillon for us.
Yeah. Okay.
Terima kasih.
Si semua you say mawali. Mawali.
Mawali.
Yeah, mawali means you are from Balinese, yeah. Suk semua.
Mawali.
Yay! Woo! Good job. You got something.
Yeah, that was.
Nice.
So you can start it like this.
Woo!
I don't like how it feels.
So in total, the white rice they need to grow 3 months in total, yeah? Okay. And then we can grow them 3 times in years, and then another 1 month normally we use them to processing the land. After it's ready, all this yellow, make it more than this dry, yeah. We will cutting. After cutting, we put in water again, and we just process the land, flow up the water. The land, yeah? Make it flat to ready to replant. Yeah.
Almost ready?
Yeah, you can just if you want to peel, you can peel it also. But you peel the dry one. The green one still milky. Yeah, still milky. Yeah, but we peel now them with the machine, not by not.
Oh yeah, that would take forever.
Not smashing. Before it was smashing. It's a lot of rice you can get break them. Yeah, but now it's machine coming.
Look, there's the rice.
Really good rice.
There's the
quality.
rice. Oh my god.
Yeah, we feel like that. To make 3 days soak in the water, and then we after coming sprout, we just take it out from the water, and then we spread it in the soil, in the wet soil, not in the water, wet soil. Spread it, and then will coming new plant. After 3 days, they will become, for example, 3 centimeter, for example, yeah, 3 days, and then I will wait until 13 until 15 days, about 10 until 12 centimeter, and then we take out. We removing and then we replant. When is the land is ready, replant by hand, one by one.
Wow.
All of these?
Yeah.
How long does that take?
To replant, because this is the farmer they know already. This is one peel like this, they can be half the young.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so we just made it to the cooking class area where we'll be preparing all of the meals. We started with a really cool morning market tour to see where all the locals go and get all the ingredients for the meals that they cook. the meals that they cook throughout the day. And also what I thought was pretty cool was all the materials for the offerings that they give. So I love how they, you know, put a lot of time into that. And then we went to a rice field and got to see like what the rice looks like before it's prepared. It was like semi-ready but still needed to dry out a little bit. And now we've made it to the cooking place where we're gonna learn how to cook a bunch of different Balinese food. We have another American with us named Sarah. She's from New Jersey. And then we have a couple here from Madrid, Spain. So I've been practicing my Spanish with them and it's going great. Oh wow, hi. What is this drink? Ginger tea. Oh, yum.
You can start with the different colors. I mean, you can start with the yellow, with the red. You can start with any color, but you have to put in the...
But it goes in a certain order.
Yeah, but with taste when you cook it down.
Love fish sauce.
When you cook it with this flavor is strong or give a lot of flavor. Yeah, whether this will be grilled for the sambal mata. Yeah, this rice we wash already twice before washing, rinse. Okay, after we wash, rinse and then soak it again with cold water. Yes, for us, yeah, almost 30 minutes. You can do in 10-15 minutes will be fine. Yeah, so this one we dry again. Dry here in the basket. It's not literally completely dry, yeah. Just rinse a little bit the water, and then we steaming. For how long we need to steam? First, only 15 to 20 minutes, okay. And then after 15 to 20 minutes, it means your rice just half cooked. They are not cooked very well yet. Half cooked of rice. Later we take out again, put in the pot. Soak it again with hot water to get them fluffy. After fluffy, we steaming again to get them ready. I mean, fluffy and sticky rice in the end. Yeah?
Nice. So it's like two-step.
Two-step. Okay. Grinding them together will become sauce. And then we have also peanut sauce. We have a chili, aromatic ginger, garlic, and then roast peanut.
For chicken satay?
Yeah, for the satay.
Yeah.
Okay.
To buy one of these for our house.
Yeah. Yeah, no.
Palm sugar. And then why we put sugar? Because it's spices. Will make it balance the flavor.
Nice.
Sweet, strong flavor with the sweet. Yeah. Coconut and then to make it the texture and then flavor as well.
What's that?
And this is tuna fish.
Tuna fish?
Really?
Make it paste.
Okay.
Paste.
Cumin. Maybe you use cumin. You use grinding maybe or the leaves or press. You can use the powder.
Sí, pero no, más pequeñito. Sí, sí,
That's going to be real funny to look at. This will look great.
Okay.
So that's a tuna satay.
Tuna satay.
Ah.
Or satay ikan we call also. Ikan, the fish is ikan. Yeah?
Ikan.
Can give to him.
Okay, I will be
He will continue.
How was that?
It was good. 10 out of 10.
It's much more, yeah?
My biceps.
Work, add some more.
Some more fish.
This is a whole new way to make rice. I should start doing this.
Yeah.
Still dry, yeah? Now we soak them with the same water here, boil water. So how much we need water until our rice are the same size? Water with a little bit covering as well, no problem. If it's too much water, it will be too soft your rice. But it needs to be like same size, the water and rice. Yeah. Little bit of covering, no problem. And then later all the water will soak in the rice, absorbing. Okay. After that, your rice will getting fluffy. After fluffy, we steaming again.
Nice.
For under 20 minutes. This is the last step. 20 minutes more. Garlic.
Okay.
Muy bien.
Ginger. Then starting again. Fry.
Just back and forth working.
Getting it in, Jill.
You have to fry it.
You get to fry.
Fried your
Hello guys.
coconut paste. Oil normally for all the things.
Oh, yes.
Big already. Now we're going to do steaming again for another 20 minutes in here.
Wow, that takes a long
Yeah, barbecue. And it's almost 4th of July.
Yeah, this will be our experience.
For us, it's very easy to find because we use
Yeah.
spicy.
What?
Not like spicy food, but
Ah,
like,
they're hot.
yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You guys are the Spice Girls. Quarter.
just a little.
Smells so good.
Like next to the fish, saving all through down.
Nice. It's kind of like a tamale. Yeah. Yeah. Wow.
It's the rice. Will be put on the basket.
Nice.
Yum.
We did 5 to 7 minutes. Later we just grilling again. Then you put crossways.
Oh, crossways.
One, two, three.
Wait, I'm so
Second.
How did you do it?
It's not moving yet. Oh, there it goes.
So scared.
Now your turn.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
Brown sugar syrup. Sauce.
So cute.
This one is our dessert, yeah, Dadar Gulung. Dadar Gulung, and this is sambal mata.
The
Sambal.
presentation.
And then your salad sayur urap, yeah. And then we have it pepes, yeah, fish in banana leaf. We call it pepes. And then we have Sate Lilit, yeah. And then we have sweet and fried Tempe. And then we have also Tofu Kare. And then your chicken soup here. Chicken soup, and then your rice. Yeah? Rice.
It's perfect.
Good job.
Oh, it's good. Suksima.